Dean Davis and Storm Surge LLC, lead forecaster, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for severe weather update. You can see we have a good jet stream here. We're at the 300 millibar level, which is the jet stream level of the atmosphere. And I love how this does this. It's refreshing. What we're going to see is an issue up there in the area. I'll pull this back up for you. Sorry about that. Digging deep. You're going to have the jet stream digging deep, and as we go along, we're about 7 hours ahead now. It's digging into the Pennsylvania area by 11 hours. This evening, we're looking at digging pretty deep, some stronger winds getting down to the surface, which will initiate the possibility of severe weather and tornadic probabilities. When we look at the near surface, or where the troposphere is, you can see you got the trough dug in there, the westerly winds, a little bit of shear. It's going to be up against the mountains. You can see that when I look at closer to the actual shear values. But as you can see at the surface, there is some change of wind south and some from the west. There's stuff that we have to watch out for here along the east coast, anywhere from the areas of Maine down through Virginia, with the best shot in the PA, Maryland area. Temperatures at the surface is going to be warm, so that's going to help out keep a good shot of heat there. That's good for thunderstorm development. Moisture. Let's take a look at our dew point temperatures. We need a good dew point, nice fresh 60s and 70 degree dew points here in Virginia up through Jersey. That's good to know that we have that in place. So that's only one other thing we're going to have. Precipitable water. A lot of heavy rain could happen right along the Blue Ridge and up in the Philadelphia area. Now we're going to look at like I said, look at the 850 velocity scale, which is close to the. And you can see the shear values: New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, and then back here in North Virginia. So you are looking at issues there closer to the surface. You see a low-level jet actually kicking in at 11 hours. A small one, but not terribly crazy, but enough that could cause some rotating thunderstorms, especially in the Virginias up through New York City. Instability, what do we have there? Cape values. Definitely there in Virginia, or push 1,500 to 2,000 near Roanoke. A little less up here, but there's going to be more shear value there. So, to me, that could spawn its own thunderstorms. And looking at the lifted index, we're looking at -6. So, good lift, good precipitation in the atmosphere. Changing with the winds and heights, we see some tornadoes, possibly, and some severe weather, definitely, in the anywhere from, I would say, southern Virginia up through Maine, but the best shots being Virginia up through New York City and eastern Pennsylvania. So that's what we're seeing right there on what we look for severe weather. So that's all the ingredients we're looking at for that. We'll take a look at a hodiograph and a sounding here from Roanoke and for Philly in a minute. Much like I said earlier in the afternoon, you're going to get here. Sierra and Roanoke, the better than Delmira area. Closer to New Jersey will be your best shear values this evening. 12Z, as you see here, you got a little copying inversion here, but with the lifted index, it's not gonna be hard to do, and the surface cape being high, it'll punch through. Not like I said, terribly concerned. Change of wind with height is there, but for strong tornadic type of storms, not looking good. And hodiograph, which is off the screen, is not looking not veering as bad as it could. So, damaging winds, main threat. Isolated tornadoes, secondary threat. Same thing for DC towards Philly. Damaging winds, main threat. Isolated tornado, possible. Lifted index is a little less there, and the surface cape is a little lower. So basically, Virginia has a better shot of storms. Severe weather, though, with better chance of shears up in the Delaware Valley. Anyway, that's your severe weather outlook for today, and we'll talk to you later. Have a great one.